Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start my fat loss journey step by step. Begin by tracking baseline weight and daily calories, set a modest 15% calorie deficit, and aim for consistent protein at each meal. Add 3 weekly strength sessions, daily low-intensity activity, and improve sleep quality. Reassess every 2 weeks, adjust calories or training slowly, and celebrate small wins to build lasting habits toward your goal. When starting, focus on simple, sustainable nutrition steps that fit your life. Calculate a modest calorie target, emphasize whole foods, and aim for protein at each meal to support muscle. Use a tracking app for 2 weeks to learn portions, then meal prep to reduce decision fatigue. Small, consistent changes beat big extreme swings, so choose habits you can follow for months and build momentum slowly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps support more content you can use. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes life easier and keeps your floors ready for workouts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Training should be practical and enjoyable to ensure consistency. Focus on 3 full body strength workouts per week, add 2 cardio or mobility days, and increase resistance or reps gradually. Incorporate daily needs such as walking or household activity to elevate total energy expenditure. Keep sessions 30-60 minutes, prioritize compound movements, and track progress to adjust intensity, which helps maintain strength while you lose fat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.